Let's carry on and talk about COVID-19. Today, Ottawa will announce a new plan to help Canadians feeling the impact of the outbreak of COVID-19. And CTV News has learned the federal government will be committing more than $1 billion to public health measures. Yes, $1 billion. Joining us now is Michelle Boyer, who's in Ottawa. Good morning to you, Michelle. Okay, $1 billion. Where is this going to go?
This is going to go to a number of places, and I've just received the breakdown. Lindsey, good morning to you. $1 billion, a lot of money. $50 million has already been allocated to the immediate public health response to COVID-19. And if you're wondering where the bulk of the money will be going, we're talking about $500 million. That's $500 million that's going to be going towards the provinces and territories. Of course, it is the mandate of provinces and territories in this country to carry out health care in this country, so they're going to be getting a good chunk of change. Also, my colleague Joyce Napier last night on CTV National News with Lisa Laflamme told you first that the government was going to be changing the EI system for those who have to self-quarantine. We're talking about reducing the delay to basically no time at all to qualify for unemployment insurance if, in fact, people aren't getting paid while they are in self-quarantine. That is coming at a price tag of $5 million. So these new details in just moments ago, Lindsey.
And what other measures are you hearing about, Michelle?
There have been a lot of measures that are, and a lot of money, by the way, that's being put aside, particularly for things, if I'm just looking at my notes here, $275 for research. $275 million is what is going to be announced for research into coronavirus. And, you know, even as we've been talking about it over the last month or so, we have learned a great amount of information about the virus. If somebody sneezes, how long is that virus alive on a surface? Is somebody contagious before they develop symptoms? Canada and the world investing heavily to learn more about COVID-19 or coronavirus because it is having such a widespread and deadly effect.
Yeah, when we talk about effect, what sort of effect are we thinking in terms of the rollout of the federal budget?
Yeah, there were a lot of questions. Can the government handle this? And what I'm being told is, yes, they can handle this. It is not going to change the rollout of the budget. The budget will come out when the budget comes out. We've been trying to get that date for you for a long time. It's still not being released. But of course, as soon as we find out when the budget will be released, we'll let you know. But overall, the budget is pretty much written. Just in the fine-tuning stages. Yeah,
and I will say, one of the big talks around our office, of course, is the people that have to stay home, like you mentioned, wondering how they're going to survive with their families and the money that they need to really get by. So important information, Michelle Boyer. We appreciate your time this morning. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.